In this section of the CCA 200 Benson audiometer training, we will cover a manual test. It's likely that after the test is completed, there may be some frequencies that you may want to retest, or there may be some abbreviations instead of numbers that are located in your audiogram. So having said that, let's jump into the software. So from here, we can see that the status is currently finished. And if we want to get into the manual functions, we need to open up that particular module by clicking on the last icon. After we click on that icon, the manual test booth dialog box should pop up. On the very far right-hand side, see a dial here. We can select the frequency in question. So in this case, we can select 3000. And let's just say we want to do the right side. Select the ear, right. Currently, we're presenting at 30 dB, represented on this right-hand side dial here. Once we're ready to present the stimulus, click on the Present Stimulus button. We'll see the stimulus is flashing. If the patient responds, they'll click on the switch as they usually do, and that will light up the response box here. When we're happy with that, click on the down button, the down HL button here, and it will automatically go down 10 as if you're doing a regular test. And then we can go ahead and present the stimulus. And if they respond, once again, click on the down button. If they don't respond, click on the up button, and it will only go up 5 automatically for you. And in any case, if we're happy with their response and we want to set the threshold, we'll click on the button, set threshold. Set NR is no threshold or no response. Set NT is no threshold. So in this case, we'll set the threshold at 15. Once we're happy with that, once we can see that at 3K, it's 15, click on the OK button. Once we click on the OK button, we can look back at the audiogram. See that it spiked back up to 15. A little M is there, signifying that we've selected at 15 decibels to be his response. And it is signified with a little m. That concludes our training for the manual functions on the CCA 200 mini audiometer.